So on this screen here, I'm going to demonstrate a couple of things using two clips. This clip here hasn't had anything applied to it, so we're going to apply the speed ramp and then we're going to delete it and work on this clip here, which has already had the speed ramp shown, but I haven't actually added the points in. So first of all, how do we add the speed ramp line? I'm just going to right click, and with a little arrow down here I scroll down until I get to the very last item, and I go to time remapping and click on speed, and that gives me this line here. And if I were to change the speed, so when I click this line it will say 100%. So there's 100%, and then you can adjust that up or down, and that adjusts the speed of the clip. So that's how we get the line. I'm just going to get rid of that because this is the actual clip that we're working with. And as I scrub through, what I want to do is get this so that when Joe starts to throw his hat in the air, right at this point here, that's where I want the slow motion to occur. So what I can do is control, you can see here that my cursor's changed to a plus, click, and then I get this little marker here, and that allows me to spread out the time. So if I grab, and even though it looks like a single marker, it's actually two, and I can spread that out, and you can see here now I've got a slight gap, and I can grab the corner of this and drag it down. But what I'm going to do is go to the point where the hat comes back down, so it's thrown up in the air, comes down round about there, and then I will control, click to add another point, and I get this same blue marker here. What I'm going to do is just grab this center marker here and drag this down, because my video is 300 frames per second. So if I drag that up to 10%, what happens is my video then moves out. I press my backslash key to get everything in the window. We can see that the hat has already been caught here, so what we want to do is move this across, and the way we do that is drag this across here. So we work on this white bar area here. Okay, so that's adjusting the speed ramp. So you can control click and then select the points to change the duration of it, and I can click inside here and drag these little blue markers to again smooth out the ramp or make it linear. So by clicking in that area, I can spin them around. So we have something that starts off normal speed and then goes down to 1/10 the speed, 10% of the original speed.